Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my summer FabFitFun. So check this video out. Alright, so summer FabFitFun. It's so funny because when I was going to start this video, I almost said May FabFitFun. I'm like, wait a minute. I'm like, because I just recorded my May Ipsy. So I'm just like, no, I'm in the monthly mode, but cute little box over here. Let's see what I got. I did get Add-ons this time, a few of them. But one thing I wanted, and then I forgot to check to see if like somebody wanna, because it was sold out and you know, somebody like let it go because I always like stock like, you know, my favorites and to see if I can get the product, and I completely forgot about it. It's been so super crazy. So I didn't end up getting it. I'll explain what it was in a little bit. And then, but I ended up buying a different one, different color. But whatever. The other thing that I got in here, I wouldn't have gotten it because it was kind of like a set, but that's okay. But we've had a lot of new people liking and viewing my videos. Guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Obviously you guys are liking it if you guys are liking my videos, but we would love to have you guys as part of our YouTube channel family. Down below is also Bella Bean's channel. Make sure you subscribe to her as well. We do fun, crazy things over there. We would love to have you guys, like I said, as part of our YouTube family. It really does mean a lot to us. I love making these videos for you guys. So let's get started with FabFitFun. Okay, so got a bunch of things in here, obviously, like HelloFresh, which I do want to try, either HelloFresh or something. What is it? Zero Factor or Factor or something like that. Comment down below if you guys have any of those meals. I don't know if I would do it so much for the summer, but more so like when the school year starts, because we do have like 2-3 days where we're really crazy. So it would be nice to have it, and I definitely would keep the recipes and definitely make them in the future. But yeah, and then meet Molk. What is Molk? I've never heard of this before. So I think there's some recipes in here too. Yeah, chocolate banana bread using Molk, whatever Molk is. So yeah, so very curious about this. I think that's everything that came in here. Actually, I think there was a sample of something in here I got too. Oh yeah, it's right over here. It's so funny because I got this as a sample by Pure Organic. These are their Twist fruit bites. This one's blueberry and raspberry. And you can get these at Costco. I actually just bought these for the kids and they haven't tried it yet. We kind of go like through our stuff where I rotate things. So right now they have fruit sticks. As soon as the fruit sticks are gone, I'll put these in there to kind of rotate it. And yeah, I was like, oh my gosh, that's crazy. All right, so let's see if I can remember what number one was. Okay, so my choice number one, and I want to say my choice for number one, there really wasn't anything I really wanted. I picked Murad, their serum, just because like I think I was down serums and that's why I picked this, but I didn't really need it, but I didn't really need anything else. So this is their Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. Is this one? Oh, it's PM. That's why I picked this one, because I needed another nighttime serum. I really don't have any nighttime serums. I'm using one right now and then I don't think I have anything afterwards. Or I think I actually just got something in my May Ipsy, which down below, make sure you guys check out my May Ipsy Reveal. I think it's in, I did get something night in there, but these were kind of like back to back, so it's kind of like hard to like, I always end up doubling. But yeah, but this is at night and I have used it before, so I'm like, you know what? I've used it. Let's just get it again. All right, number two, what I picked by Supergoop, their Protect Tint Daily SPF Tint, SPF 50. I definitely was excited about this. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think it was gonna be this small. It is super teeny tiny. Super teeny tiny. I should actually probably show you guys what this looks like too. I mean, I'm just so used to this, I've had this before. Clear cap, just, oh, my cap is broken. That's sad. At least it still clips though, but that's so sad. Aww. I'm not gonna complain about that. As long as the product's not all over the face, don't have to complain about that. But that's kind of sad. I don't know how in the world that broke though. Okay, so this is Supergoop. What color did I get? 24N. Like I said, I'm kind of shocked that this is like really, whoa, that came out. Very small, but let's see. I love using tints in the summer. When summer, like maybe like June, I probably don't wear a lot of tints. I still use like my BB creams because there's a little bit more color in that and there's SPF. And then once I start getting color, then I'll just go ahead and literally just put my tint on with mascara in the summer, that Bing Bang Boom. If I need blush, I'll put blush on, but other than that, like, I love tints. So, it smells really good too. But yeah, nice. It is literally a tint. So, glad I got that. All right, number 3, Kopari, their Malibu Hair and Body Mist. Peach. Malibu Peach. Jasmine and white peach. I love peach. Peach is like my, probably like my number 1 scent. And it smells so good. It does smell so good. I actually have the blue one. I forgot what the blue one is, but I just, oh my gosh. Nice. I'm excited for this one. Nice and refreshing. I think I'm actually almost out of my other peach scents. Okay, number 4, I got by Dr. Brandt, their face exfoliator. It's a very busy bottle. Okay, apply twice a week on damp skin and massage for 2 minutes. So I know I needed a scrubs, so that's why I picked this one. Never used it before. Let's see how scrubby it is. Kind of figured there's gonna be a little tan on there. Oh man, now I'm making a mess. Okay, because if you guys have been following me a while, you know that my scrubs need to feel scrubby, because I can't stand when I like use a scrub and it's not scrubbing my face. Oh yeah, nice. My hand is definitely gonna be like nice and polished. So, whoa, what did I do to myself? That was really weird. Yeah, this is very scrubby, where it's not that harsh either. So, that's what I like. All right, what is number 5? I think this was number 5. Ceramic juicer. I don't know why I picked this one. I think I picked it because there was really nothing else that I wanted. And did I really need a juicer? Not really. But I did pick this one. So let's see this bad boy. I almost dropped it, but that's cute. I mean, it's super cute. This is Noon and Moon. I definitely have gotten Noon and Moon products before, and I actually really like them. So I'm actually, you know, fine with this. I don't know how I'm gonna get this back in here, but yeah, we'll just pop it in here. I don't know if I'll actually use it though. We'll try. I don't know. I'm literally trying to like sneak outside the box and like use like all these different tools and everything when I'm cooking and blah blah blah. And yeah, I like to make a lot of things homemade. So you know what? We're gonna that's our goal this summer. We're gonna use us. So we're gonna us. All right, and then last but not least, for my customization, if I can find it, where? Oh, here it is. It's underneath here. I got by Kopari. Didn't even realize I got 2 different Kopari stuff this time. I got their Vanilla Moisture Bomb. Totally needed a new lip gloss. And I love vanilla. Vanilla is another thing, scent that I really like. I don't really necessarily wear it on my body, but I do like coconut vanilla. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So I am definitely excited to try this. I needed a new lip balm. I'm like running out. If you guys haven't seen like my empties video, like the lip balms that I have were literally ripping my lips off, and I needed to find like something. All right, let's do the monthly Barkley package. Not monthly, quarterly. I always get her the dog toys, and this month it is cute. Look at, I don't know guys, I might have to stop by her dog toys, but they're so cute and they're so worth it. So cute. I don't know, would I go to the store and randomly buy these ones? Probably not, but they are super cute. So either I'll keep them for her or maybe I'll give them to a friend. I don't know, but I got that for Barkley. And then like I said, I got a couple add-ons. So let's start off with something easy. What did I get here? Actually, I got 4. I didn't realize I got 4. I got Sexy Hair Big Dry Shampoo. I'm running out of dry shampoo and I've never tried this. And last box, I got the dual pack of like the volume and something, maybe texture spray or whatever. So I wanted to go ahead and try the Big Sexy Hair dry shampoo. I used to use this all the time when I was really into doing my hair. And now I love these products. So I'm like, you know what? Let's bring them back and try this. Let's see how it smells, because it smells really good. We're all about the smell over here, guys. We are all about the smell over here, because if I have a product that I don't like how it smells, I don't like it. Okay, Tula, I got their espresso energizing eye balm. I actually really like Tula's eye balms like this. I actually keep it in the fridge in my bathroom. Whoa, what did I do here? What is this? I'm confused. Oh, I've never seen that before. There's like a little cap on there. I've never seen a cap on their little balms before, but nice. I'm excited to try this. Prebiotics and caffeine. I've used like the blue one, the pink one. I've got the white one I'm using right now. So great, really excited to use this. I think it was really worth the price. Any of the add-ons I think are really worth the price. All right, and then I also got, I thought these are cute because you know me, if you've been following me on my vlogs, I love storage and I really do a lot of meal prepping. I thought this was so cute, and the bowls that I have are a little bit smaller than this, and I love pink. Pink's like my favorite color. So I got these. I thought these were super cute. Get over there. And then last but not least, man, I'm like flying through this video, guys. Normally I'm like slow, but now I'm actually boom fast. Okay, I got this 3-piece ultimate tool set. I wanted the ground beef or ground meat chopper. That's why I went ahead and put this in here, and I was like, oh, they match. It's super cute. No, my kitchen is not pink, but you know what, whatever. Stuff like this, I'll go ahead and I need to move that. Stuff like that, you know, I like to go ahead and get like, you know, obviously like the Nuna Moon was like, you know, burgundy and stuff like that. I don't know, I like it. But I didn't end up getting it. So I ended up getting it on Amazon, and I just got black because it was like 10 bucks. But did I really need this? No, but I actually really like this for baking. Look how big this whisk is. Wow. And then we have the ultimate spoonula. Okay, try to say that like 5 times fast. And then of course, like the ultimate spoon. So I'm actually excited for these. I don't know what I would use them with, but we will go ahead and figure that one out at a later date and time. But yeah, definitely, like I said, I got these. Would I have gotten these if I remembered to check to see if that like meat chopper, stovetop cooker thing was there? Probably not. Okay, of course, as I was almost done with my video, my camera decides to die. I swear it does that once a month, like when I'm trying to do like a sit down video like this. But anyways, okay, so back to these. Would I have bought these? I probably would not have. I don't know. Do I really need a big whisk? No. Do I really need this? No. I mean, I don't have one like this, actually, to be honest. And this I don't either. So this might be good for cooking on the stovetop. So maybe it's a good thing. But I don't know. This is huge. Huge. But I am excited to use the like meat cooker on the stovetop. I've seen other people use it. I'm like, you know what? That's gotta be a good idea. So we're gonna go ahead and test those out. But of course, like I'm redoing my whole kitchen, so it's a disaster right now because we have right next to me our bench with storage underneath there, and I need to start storing stuff in there, but my husband still needs to, it's anchored in, it ain't going nowhere, but it needs to be pushed back, like I think like almost 2 inches to be in the right spot to nook in there to be perfect, and the railing behind it needs to be taken off. And I'm like, get on that. I would like to go ahead and do that as my summer project, is like reorganizing the whole entire kitchen and make it look like clean. Like I don't want like anything really on the countertops or anything. So, but yeah, so if you guys follow along, like I said, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button because we do weekly and weekend vlogs, and I go ahead and talk like organization and stuff like that on those videos. Okay, so that is everything for my summer FabFitFun. I love FabFitFun, and it's so funny because my husband, I get it every winter's my renewal, and my husband buys it like as my Christmas gift. I love it because I always end up getting home stuff more than like beauty, but I will get like random stuff like that, or like if I'm out of hair stuff or something. And I brought in the package. He's like, when did you buy that? And I'm like, I swear we go through this like every single time. You pay for it in the winter. It's way better to go ahead and do the annual subscription, because in that way you can pick all of the customizations and I like that. I at first when I started getting FabFitFun, I didn't know that you could pick and choose, and then I forgot, like I think somebody told me about it. I was like, really? I'm like, I didn't even know that. So I'm getting all this stuff that I like don't even want. But yeah, so I like that. So guys, if you're not an annual one, I would do that. Definitely worth, you know, obviously you're saving money in the long run. And what I like to do is like for spring, summer, and fall, I like to add on those times. And I really don't spend that much. Like maybe about like, I don't know. I think Barclays thing is like $12, and then maybe I'll spend like an extra like $20 like on this stuff. It's really, I really don't spend that much on it, but I would rather do that. And then normally winter, I try not to do add-ons because then it does the annual thing, and then like, you know, it goes towards that. But yeah, so that is everything, like I said, for this video. So I would probably have to say my favorite, I have 3 things that are definitely probably gonna be like my favorite to try. Like I'm really curious about this lip balm, if it's gonna be good enough and not break my lips. And then I am excited to try this. I probably won't try this until more so the end of the summer because I do have a couple more tint ones that I have, and I like to use my older stuff first, but I'm definitely excited to use this. But you know what though, I think with like the tints, I have a feeling I'm going to be going through them a lot, because I think what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to put them on in the morning, and then probably later on for more sunscreen. Does it say on here how often you should do this? Apply and evenly 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply at least every 2 hours. So yeah, so definitely I probably would do it in the morning. I would probably do it again when I'm about ready to go outside, and then I probably would do it a 3rd time. Because normally when we go outside, we play all day. Like, yeah, it's 2 hours, and I would definitely do it again. And then, of course, I'm excited to try this one. I think there's only 4 different kinds. I think this is the only one that I haven't tried yet. But like I said, I love those eye balms. So, but like I said, that is it for this video. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I make specialty videos like this. We have my summer hair care, my summer skincare, my summer makeup videos that are coming up. I just posted my May Ipsy. Check that out. My empties for what I used in the spring and what I would continue to use in the summer. I'm going to be doing like my summer routines. Definitely try to do like relax, low key in the summer. And then also down below is Bella Bean's channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed to her channel as well. We do fun and crazy things. Like I said, we would love to have you guys as part of our YouTube family. We love making videos for you guys. Pretty soon Mason's going to have his own channel too, so I will let you guys know when he does, so you can subscribe to his channel as well. And then also down below is my TikTok, my Instagram, my LTK. Make sure you are following me along on those, because I do different things on different social media platforms. And then yeah, like I said, I'll see you guys in my next one.